Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today we are actually doing part 2 of the fairy themed or inspired look that I started last week. Now last week we had the more typical kind of a pastel-y forest, fairy, whatever. Today I decided to kinda go along those lines, but at the same time not at all. So we are doing kind of the younger rebel sister of the fairy that we done last week, and we're gonna be going definitely into darker colors. We will be using some glitter again and some other things. I have a lot of makeup and props in front of me, so without further ado, because I already know this is going to be a long ass video anyway, we're just gonna jump right into it. I will scoop you closer and we will start, shall we? As you can see, this time I decided to put the contacts in beforehand, and we're gonna start with the primer. Now we're gonna take the Candy Sneak Makeup eyeshadow palette and use that green and black for the eyebrows, as you can see it being demonstrated right here. And after, no, we're still at the eyebrows, okay. So I first applied the green and now I'm going in with the black just to darken it up a little bit. And once I am happy with the amount of color that applied, I'm just gonna comb them through. After that, because I tend to always make a mess, I will just clean it up with a cotton bud that has been dipped into my moisturizer. Now we can start with the eyeshadow. So, as pretty much in 99% of my looks, I like to start with the base under the eyebrows as seen here, and then we're going to go right in with the crease color, which is this kind of brick red. And under the outer side of the waterline as well, apparently. So then we're putting the black just on the eyelid. I'm just trying to keep it on the parts where the eyelid is not creasing or moving when you open your eye, and we're putting this liner inside of the waterline just to darken it up a little bit. After that, we're taking the brush with which we have applied the red color and just blend the black and red together. And here I'll be demonstrating how I have basically created this open wound on my eyebrow. I wasn't really sure how I will be creating it. I tried a few different things, but I didn't quite like the opacity, so I added the white liner as you've seen, and then went over with that red rum liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star. For some reason I decided to completely skip the foundation for this look. To be honest, I was pretty much blind with the contacts. They are rather old and I would not recommend to use contacts that are older than what they should be, but I did and I pretty much didn't see what I was doing. So do apologize if any of the bits seems a little bit more rougher than usual. And here I just applied the dots as you've seen. I didn't put the whole montage in because it would literally take forever. And after I was happy with the amounts of the little gems, I decided to add some lash glue. Yes, lash glue. And I added some paper gold on the inner corners. Here I discovered that apparently I don't have enough gems already on my face, so I added some more on the outer corners. Also not sure what happened here, don't know where the footage is of me actually applying the lipstick, but here we are and I'm just adding some paper gold on top of it. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that you like it. Actually, I forgot to add some last touches. There we go, guys. This is the finished look of the younger sister, bad fairy, rebel, whatever you want to call it. Actually, I really want to put on more because I think they look super cute. And these I just bought off Amazon. But yeah, guys, let me know if you like this look. And I hope you're doing well whenever you're watching this, whether it be in the morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Let me know if there is a video that you would like me to do or a product you would like me to review. And if I can, I will. That's it. Let me just appreciate for a second the fact that I was actually so blind and was so rushing to get this video done so I can actually see again that I completely forgot to turn around my lip piercing, which I now had to edit out so it doesn't look completely dumb in the pictures. I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!